1. 1976 Chevy K10 4x4 400 CI V8, $14,000, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1976 Chevy K10 4x4 is equipped with a 6.6-liter 400 CI V8 engine. The truck runs great with a recently professionally rebuilt carburetor and a variety of new components, including oil, spark plugs, fuel filter, brake parts, and more. The truck also features a retro Bluetooth radio. Some surface rust underneath, but nothing significant. Clean title in hand, asking $14,000 OBO. Two, 1972 Chevrolet C10 stepside, $10,995. This 1972 Chevy C10 stepside has a freshly rebuilt Chevy 350 V8 engine and turbo 350 automatic transmission. It features new wheels, tires, and a new speedometer. While not fully restored, it's a reliable daily driver that runs, drives, and sounds great. Clean title, asking $10,995. 3. 1975 GMC Shortbed 4x4 truck, $13,500 in West Hollywood, California. This 1975 factory Shortbed 4x4 truck is a clean, rust-free truck with a 4-speed manual transmission and a new carburetor. It features a factory steering wheel and clean body. Clean title, a great example of a classic 4x4, ideal for a collector or enthusiast. 1979 Chevrolet Scottsdale K20, $15,000, Topsfield, Massachusetts. This 1979 Chevy Scottsdale K20 has 97,712 miles and was originally from Montana. It's been completely rebuilt at 90,000 miles with new paint, upholstery, and upgraded components like brakes and exhaust. The truck comes with a toolbox, a gun rack, and other extras. Clean title, asking $15,500. 1969 Dodge Power Wagon, $12,500, East Waterboro, Maine. This 1969 Dodge Power Wagon is in excellent condition with under 15,000 original miles. It features a solid frame and body, factory power steering and brakes, and a 383 engine with power upgrades. The truck runs great and has a top speed of about 55 miles per hour. Clean title, asking $12,500. 6. 1987 Chevrolet R20 Custom Deluxe, $10,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1987 Chevy R20 Custom Deluxe has a 350 V8 engine and a recent engine swap. It has about 20,000 miles on the new engine, and the transmission was upgraded last year. The truck also features a new cooling system, tires, sound system, and more. Clean title, asking $10,000 OBO. 7. 1985 Chevrolet CK10 Shortbed Bed Pickup Truck. $15,000 Lubbock, Texas. This 1985 Chevy CK10 Shortbed has a 5.7-liter V8 engine and 87,487 original miles. It features air ride suspension, reverted to shocks, keyless entry, and a receiver behind the license plate. The truck runs well and is in good condition. Clean title, asking $15,000 OBO. 8. 1984 GMC Sierra truck, $14,000, Midvale, Irvington, Arizona. This 1984 GMC Sierra has a 5.7 Vortex 350 engine with only 20,000 miles on it. The truck also has an upgraded transmission, Flowmaster exhaust, and a custom sound system. It features dual gas tanks and clean paint. Clean title, asking $14,000. 1984 Ford F-250 4x4 6.9 diesel, 12 Austin, Texas. This 1984 Ford F-250 4x4 has a 6.9-liter diesel engine and 85,000 miles. It has been used as a farm truck, giving it a rugged look with low miles and random dents. This truck runs strong and is perfect for off-road or farm use. Clean title, asking $12,000. 10. 1989 Ford F350, 11,000 down unit, Colorado. This 1989 Ford F350 is a 4x4 with custom bumpers. It has 154,000 miles and is in good condition with some clear coat peeling on the passenger front fender. The truck runs great and is ready to drive. Clean title, asking $11,000. 11. 1985 Chevrolet C10, $15,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1985 Chevy C10 features a red and black exterior with a custom interior. It's equipped with a 350 V8 engine and a 3-speed turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. The truck is in good running condition and the title is clean, asking $15,000. 12. 1989 Chevrolet Cheyenne, $13,000, Cords Lakes, Arizona. This 1989 Chevy Cheyenne is a special model built in Mexico, featuring unique details not found on American C10s. It has a 350 engine with an Edelbrock ProFlow 4-fuel injection system and a 5-speed transmission. The truck has been fully restored with a new interior, paint, and tires. Clean title, asking $13,000. 1383 Chevy K10 4x4, $13,200, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1983 Chevy K10 4x4 is equipped with an LS swap and a 4L60E transmission to an NP205 transfer case. The truck has new tires and wheels and drives great. It needs minor finishing touches but is ready to go. Clean title, asking $13,200. Would you like me to continue with further?